ready to level up your Codeigniter projects by sharing them with the world through GitHub. First things first, navigate to your Codeigniter project directory. This is where your application, your config files, and all your hard work reside. Open a command prompt or terminal window from inside your project folder. This is where you'll interact with Git. Initialize a Git repository within your project by typing a specific command. This marks your project folder as a Git-managed directory, preparing it for version control. Next, create a gitignore file. This is super important. It's a list of files and folders that Git should ignore when you upload. Inside the gitignore file, add important files like the vendor directory, any database credentials, and the env file, or any sensitive configuration or temporary files. This protects your secrets. Now, stage all of your project files for a Git commit by simply using another command. This tells Git which files you want to include in your first snapshot. Commit your stage changes with a descriptive message. This acts like a save point, allowing you to track changes over time. Use a message that quickly summarizes what you've done. In your web browser, head over to GitHub and create a new repository. Give it a name, and be sure to choose the public or private option, of course, based on the scope of your project. Copy the repository URL from GitHub, go back to your terminal and connect your local Git repository to your remote GitHub repository by using a command. Then, push your committed code to the remote repository by entering another command. And that's it. Your Codeigniter project is now live on GitHub, ready to be shared, collaborated on, and version controlled. Now you can share the link and show off your new amazing work.